Привет, время микроскопа. Nailed it.
This was a sample taken from the Salt River in a small pool of water in the rocks next to the river. Some sort of unidentified, it looks like a small hillgrammite, but it's covered. It's been, I wonder if that's why they all died. It seems to have been glommed onto by a bunch of rotifers. You can see the rotifers hanging off by its armpits. He's probably just freaking out. I don't know if the rotifers actually bother him, or if he's just frantic because I just put him in a really tiny drop of water so he wouldn't move so much. But you can see some digestive and I think also some circulatory activity. Looks like a cricket. I took a sample. I probably had 50 of these and put them in 2 separate Tupperware containers, and I came back and none of them were, well, almost none of them were still alive. So this guy was doing something right. I mean, it's 2 days later. Got a number of interesting fins coming down his abdomen. Interesting to see the peristalsis going on in his stomach, intestines. Might put a slide cover on. Feel a little bit bad doing it, but this guy's moving too much. And I want to zoom in further. So right now we're at 100 times magnification. Well, this might sort of squish him in the process, so it's definitely slowed down his. Interesting, you can see his rear antenna are in articulated joints. Looks like a pelvic joint, like a femoral pelvic joint, ball and socket. And then I'm wondering what all of these little flipper looking things are on the side. I mean, is it that simple? Are they flippers? Some circulation, it looks like, on the outer edge. I'd hope to be able to see circulation in his limbs. I've seen that in like a Aliona flea. Maybe this guy's too small, or maybe I stopped his circulation. Anyways, here's those. Oh, interesting. Here's those rotifers. I wonder how much in that bell is part of the actual rotifer organism, or if that's all the food that it's eating, or if there's sort of, it looks like there must like vesicles of food inside of it. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. Tons of little snaky dudes. Oh, wow, what is that? Is that another rotifer? That's interesting. Okay. Looks like some sort of spasmic muscle contraction. Oh, wow. Kind of feel bad for the dude. But there's all kinds of little snaky bacterial looking things going along. Is that squeezing goop out of him, or is that an interloper? There's his front antenna. I need to clean my microscope lens. Oh, is he squished? Oh, he's squished. Maybe if I give him a little more water. Okay, so that looks to be a disconnected organism. think I killed the MFer. Or at least made him yak up his old last meal. Oh. So some muscle contraction. Oh, that's so strange. And moving a little bit at least. No peristalsis. Internal organs have stopped. Oh, butthole's still twitching. More water. No, he's got a thick cushion of water. I think I just toasted him. Anyways, still interesting. Oh. Arms twitching again. So interesting. They must run on the same electrical impulses that we do. Their muscles, at least. I'm sure their brains as well. Oh, wow. Look at those little guys. If he has a brain, it's almost entirely see-through. Looks like eyeballs, similar to a fly. Multifaceted or multi-lens eyeballs like a fly. Going to go to 1,000 times magnification. Hopefully see some of those bacteria that's hanging around behind him. Some sort of small hanger on there. Maybe not. Oh, there's those rotifers. Oh, interesting. What is going on there? I'm gonna try and get a slow-mo of that.
Gracias. That means thank you. If you want to see a microscope video, click there. If you want to see a how-to, click there. If you want to subscribe, click there. If you want to see it, you get rickrolled, click there. Okay.